Best-in-class technology meets digitalization. DuoShake Digital Generation combines simple handling and smart automation functions. The product update is designed for maximum user-friendliness in the digital era. Paper manufacturers benefit from a number of new features. The functions are available immediately after initial startup. All relevant operating data can be input using the familiar operator terminal or the new option of mobile devices. The customized software was developed in-house at Voith and designed to be very user-friendly. In the cockpit interface, users can see all important data like machine availability and other key parameters at a glance and in real time, ensuring maximum transparency. The data visualization is extremely modern and operation is intuitive. For example, pressure and temperature displays are represented using an easy-to-see traffic light system. A notification system for warning messages ensures fast response times. DuoShake Digital Generation also offers an easy-to-interpret trend function to allow immediate intervention in the event of non-optimal operation. Processes can be optimized systematically thanks to a context analysis function configured for a longer time period. Adapted to real operating conditions, maintenance intervals and service life of machine components are displayed in real time. This provides a reliable basis for planning and allows paper manufacturers to arrange their maintenance shutdowns to achieve maximum efficiency. An optional connection to the Voith IIoT platform on Cumulus is possible. On the basis of data analyses, Voith specialists are therefore able to help prevent faults and optimize operation. Remote monitoring of operating parameters and all other data are not only accessible on-site, but can also be retrieved from anywhere at any time using a mobile device. Access permissions can be defined individually depending on user. Everything from a single source. As a complete system supplier, Voith provides customized service solutions that allow paper manufacturers to consistently achieve their production targets in a cost-efficient and sustainable way.